Welcome to NMIT's Northern Lodge Stud. Home to a wide variety of courses run within NMIT, the Lodge is famous for its facilities used within the equine study areas. Sitting on 60 hectares of land, the stud features a 1.4 kilometre exercise track, a full 24 stall stable, along with sand rolls and state-of-the-art scanning equipment which allows students to study in a proper working environment. This will refine our students' skills to prepare themselves for a career within the equine industry.
We run a Cert 2 in stable hand for stable hands. We also run a Cert 3 for advanced stable hands and a full-time track riding course. The aim of the course is for the students to be able to ride work for racing stables at the end of the year. The course goes for the whole year and we do everything from basic riding in the arena to riding fast work around the track out here and jumping out of the barriers and then eventually hopefully into a racing stable and riding track work in there. We aim to teach them to be able to ride to time and to ride to instructions so they can go into the racing industry and get a job. If they do it successfully and pass the course, we aim for everybody to pass the course. They can get a job in the racing industry and you can get a job anywhere in the world if you can ride track work. Racing is all over the world and it's a very good job to have.
I'm doing the Certificate 3 in Advanced Stable Hand and Track Riding. Started with Certificate 2 at the start of the year, which was just stable hand work, which is basic riding as well. So now that includes one day a fortnight of theory work, which includes like nutrition and anatomy of the horse and stuff, so just general information you need for our industry. And then the track riding, which is a full-time course, is riding the horses, learning to ride track work.
Track riding courses cover 3 main areas of study, which include safe handling of thoroughbreds, track work and basic horse anatomy and physiology. These areas of study will develop a student's understanding for basic horse riding and track work, proper handling and care for a horse, and understanding for the racing industry and basic health and first aid for thoroughbreds. NMIT offers numerous courses within equine studies, which can range from 3 years for a Bachelor of Equine Studies to just 9 months for a Certificate 3 in track riding. Other areas of study involved in the equine courses include equine anatomy and physiology, equine health and reproduction, behaviour, business management, pastures management, locomotion and farriering.
Hi, my name's Colin Smith. I'm the head farrier teacher at Northern Melbourne Institute of TAFE. We run Certificate 3 in farrier, which is a trade apprenticeship, and today we have our second years in doing their final assessment, which is part of this workshop scenario today. Basically, this farrier apprenticeship, it's the only one run in Victoria. So all Victorian farrier apprentices must attend this trade college. It's a small industry, but it's huge when you look at the racing industry as a whole and how it supports that industry as a service provider. When the apprentices finish their time, which is a 4-year apprenticeship, a lot of them are employed back into the industry where they originally came from, which is the employer. But some of our apprentices choose to go overseas. We have former students working in Singapore, Hong Kong, United Kingdom and also America, working in the racing industry in equine, also travelling around Australia and working. Highly employable, skilled people once they leave this course, and a very, very good business employment opportunities. So they can be self-employed for a start or work within a business, be employed by a race club, and indeed get jobs anywhere in the world.
For more information, please phone 9269 1042 or visit the website at www.nmit.edu.au.